It's very difficult, like taking votes. I don't know how it happened. It is a challenging again, like
She was a very pretty actress and she was a wonderful dancer.
What she came in and how she's molded herself and what she is today are totally different personalities.
I never expected that, one night I'll become Bollywood star.
Straight away Sargam. She and Sargam, I don't think she could surpass that really.
It was a very difficult role. She didn't have the luxury of dialogues because she couldn't speak.
तुम पैसों की फिक्र मत करो छोटी मास्टर जी, बहुत काबिल डॉक्टर हैं मास्टर जी, एकदम ठीक हो जाएंगे. हाँ.
People, they used to think in Bollywood, they used to think because I cannot speak Hindi properly, so they made it Gungi role. But which is not right actually.
ऐसा मत करो छोटी मास्टर जी, तुमसे सुंदर तो मैंने किसी को देखा ही नहीं.
Like I'm studying 9th class. No plans for films. As good as like normal girl. I was going to my schools and all. One fine day, annual function. So I was performing. That time, one of the directors must have seen, and they offered for the film. Actually, I was not interested to, I was not keen to come into films and all. So, in that juncture, I got an opportunity, but I never took it as a serious profession. I just went and, the director told me to walk, holding the pot and the head and all. So just like the dance, I thought of it and I did it. And the first shot, he has given me 10 rupees. That is my remuneration. I'm thankful to my directors, Balchandar, and thankful to my director Vishwanath and Dashari, who has given me a path, who has shown me what is action, what is dialogues. I was a great fan of NTR when I was 5 years, 6 years old. And I grown up. Then I had an opportunity to work with him as an heroine. So he was like a fatherly figure for me. But still on the screen we are like a very, hot pair. Yeah. So that is the audience. You can't say anything.
నాకు ఉడుకెత్తిపోతోంది హరి 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 హరి.
She was an immensely beautiful actress with very Indian features, very sharp and Indian features.
We met at Ashoka, Delhi. Then he saw me. I took his blessings and all. That time I think he has given this compliment that she is the most beautiful actress on the Indian silver celluloid. After that only I think the people of Indian people, they have started recognizing me that I am so beautiful. Till then nobody knows it. And myself and Rajni, we were all like students in front of Balchandra sir. One take, like one shot, it was like 100 feet kind of a shot. And so many dialogues and too many actions for me. And then I have to close the door, then I have to shout at Rajnikant, and then come wash the feet and put the towel on the rope and all. So all these things, and finally Rajnikant sir has to kick the tin, empty tin. That was the shot, and finally it was like we couldn't do it in one shot. We did for I think after 31 takes. I heard one slap feel. So suddenly I was shocked. So I just peeped and saw outside. I think Rajni got that slap. Yeah. And I started crying. I said, please, mujhe ticket de dijiye. I wanted to go back because I cannot do this shot. Then Balchandra sir, he made me to sit. He gave me coffee. He pampered me. They took me for the market. They bought me so many things. Then next day, first shot we did it.
अब आंखें को अरे किशन अब कहाँ गया? ओफो नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। मैं कैसे मान लूं कि मेरी जनता इसी शहर में है? मुझे आपकी दौलत जायदाद नहीं चाहिए। मुझे एक अच्छा पति चाहिए। उसके लिए मैं हर कुर्बानी देने के लिए तैयार हूँ।
Everybody said that Jayaprada can't speak Hindi and all. That time I took a challenge that I must dub my voice. So I made it perfect that I should speak Hindi, and then dubbing I should give my voice. So I made it perfect, not perfect, like whatever the dialogues, that should be proper on the screen.
और राम बाबू, एक विनती करती हूँ तुमसे, तुम यहाँ रोज रोज मत आया करो, वरना बात बिगड़ जाएगी। अगर दीदी को पता चल गया तो तुम्हारा बसा बसाया घर उजड़ जाएगा। शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा नाटक चल रहा है यहाँ पर।
जानकी, तुम?
मेरे आने से तुम्हारे प्रेम के नाटक में रुकावट पैदा हो गई।
And I think Jitendra was the bone of contention also for the two of them for some time. And yes, there was a lot of tension.
We did so many films, good films, and she's a very good competitor, like healthy. She can give a tough fight on the screen.
I think they complemented each other beautifully. Halaki, we hear stories of them not getting along well with each other, but they were so fantastic in front of the camera.
दीदी,
जानकी, जानकी देखो तुमसे मिलने कौन आया?
दीदी, मैं तुम्हारी ललिता हूँ। ललिता, दीदी, ललिता, तुम आ गए। मैं इस लायक तो नहीं हूँ, मगर क्या तुम मुझे माफ कर सकती हो? अरे किस बात की माफी? बस चुप, बात मत करो। नहीं ललिता,
कभी मैंने ऐसा नोटिस नहीं किया। मुझे नहीं लगता है, ये लोगों की आदत पड़ी हुई है। जब दोनों टॉप में थे ना था, तो उस वक्त लोगों को लगता है इसकी उससे नहीं बनती, उसकी इससे नहीं बनती।
are going to compare two girls who've come in from the south and who both dance well and who both don't know Hindi and who are both pretty looking. So I guess, and they, very sexy, pretty. So I guess a lot of comparison had to be drawn between the two of them, and that showed when they were working.
When you saw them on screen, it almost looked like they were such great friends, So I think they complemented each other beautifully, and they were both fine actresses.
Off screen, I don't know, who is Sridevi? She will also ask who is Jayaprada, because our chemistry of friendship is not there.
But both of them were too professional to let it interfere with the work, because I never ever heard of any cancellations or tantrums or drama on the sets. That never happened.
ललिता, मैंने हमेशा तेरी भलाई सोची। अरे, भगवान से भी पूजा करती थी, तो अपने लिए कभी कुछ नहीं मांगा। सिर्फ तेरी जिंदगी में सुख के लिए प्रार्थना करती रही, और उसके बदले तो मेरा ही घर बर्बाद करने की कोशिश कर रही है, मेरी ही मांग को उजाड़ने के सपने देख रही है। नहीं दीदी, मैं जो कभी मुझे दीदी कहा तो बेशर्म।
There was just that tension which actually worked well, because they just competed better and came out even better.
Actually, we don't have any competition. Our fans used to have a lot of competition. That is Sridevi's fan and Jayaprada's fan, and they used to kill each other. After seeing the film, they used to have an argument. They chaku chala ke they used to kill themselves. So this is the thing. There's so many incidents took place like that. Basically, I'm more comfortable with my heroes than any other heroine. Sorry to say this. Because man companionship is more safer than the ladies. Sorry to, I'm confessing myself, because खिच खिच नहीं रहेगा. प्यार का तोहफा तेरा बना है जीवन मेरा, प्यार का तोहफा तेरा बना है जीवन मेरा, दिल के सहारे मैंने पाली, जिनको और क्या चाहिए. Those days, north south, the variation is also too long. And they used to discriminate the south people and the north people. In that time period, I have entered into the Bollywood. Even now people they call Jayaprada, but that Dafli wali, so that is still it is in the people's heart. I used to compare with Sridevi and myself, but I'm thankful to God that I used to have a very strong scripts. They used to say that, oh, Sagara Sangamam, why you did Sagara Sangamam now? Because I was in a very peak period of my Bollywood career. Said, don't put grey hair, like you will be in mother slots and you cannot be a normal heroine. I said, I don't believe all this. I believe in the script, and that script will make me definitely a strong actress.
Madhavi?
ఏమిటిది? ఈ వర్షంలో అబ్బావు మీద కాలు జరిగినా కళ్ళు తిరిగినా
Jituji is like a friend, for me. He is very affectionate towards me, and everything I discuss with him. I feel very close to my heart, Jituji. Jituji don't need any homework, I think, because he will say every time before he get down from the car, he'll say, "Ready, take." Always ready.
तेरे लिए मैंने जन्म लिया, मेरे लिए तूने जन्म लिया, तेरे लिए मैंने जन्म लिया, मेरे लिए तूने जन्म लिया.
Dharmendra ji used to get scared a lot. I used to see his physique and his panja.
हाय मस्ती में झूम रही है, हाय मस्ती में.
So I used to, but he's very, very affectionate with me again.
लोग कहते हैं मैं शराबी हूँ, तुमने भी शायद यही सोच लिया.
It's wonderful to, share a frame along with Amit ji.
हवा पे खुशबू का बादल पे है रिमझिम का नशा.
During my early days of Bollywood films, it used to be tough for me to speak lengthy dialogues in Hindi. So he used to make me sit, and he used to, give the coaching for me to say dialogues and all. Now I picked up so much. Now I can give, at a stretch I can give speeches for 2 hours in Hindi.
She was not very good with answers, she was not very articulate, and I saw such a sea change in her.
मैडम वो कह रहे हैं कि 5 साल काम नहीं किया, अब नोट बांटेंगे.
उन्होंने पहले क्या काम किया है वो जनता बताएगी, और कौन कितना काम किया है वो आप लोग बताएंगे, क्योंकि हम जितना काम किया है जनता को पता है.
Years later, I suddenly met her for lunch one day when she was with Chandrababu Naidu, and she was with the Telugu Desam Party. At that time when I met her, I just couldn't believe. I kept telling her, Jaya, are you the same person? Are you sure you're the same person? Because she had just become so confident. And she was using words like empowerment of women and things like that. And these are words that Jayaprada would have never used 10 years before. Very confident, and she was talking about women's rights, and she was talking about empowering women, and she was talking about feminism, and they may sound like jargon to others, but coming from Jayaprada, it was refreshing, because I never have associated her with it.
I never say that today is a full stop for me. I think there is a comma, and then I can move on.
But वो अंदर से एक कीड़ा है, always जब भी मिलते हैं ना तो एक जोश बरकरार.
Actually, my own identity is actress. I never left my films, because that is inbuilt of my life. I think if the God comes and asks that what you want to become next life, I will say that again Jayaprada made me again actress.